This is a challenge. This isn't an easy thing.
Just way into the
Yeah.
other stuff.
Yay! Good girl! Go ahead and bring her to that one, a reward for that. Just hold on. Nope, too many stresses. Helicopters only ever come over when she, Yeah! Good girl! Yay! Alright, so we'll pull that one. Mary, hi.
Fine.
Walk her up along the building there. Just slow down a little bit. Yep, good job. She looked at it. It's over there. I see it. Can I get to it? You can do it, lady. The grass is a different color there. There's a little bit of blades of grass almost in her way, but not, you know what I mean? She's very aware of everything, so the fact that that changes there. Yep. So they lost your dog. Sesi. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Yay. Do you want that one? There we are. All right, take it with. All right. Take her over that way. See, even if she shows interest in.
Go ahead and wait.
Yep.
Yep.
If she looks at it again like she did, we'll go. Yes, you're right. Good. Yep. Keep her moving. Oh, somebody's peed over there. I smell it. And I peed that way and had to leave. Go ahead and bring her back up the other way. Turn around and walk the other way. Yep. And walk up the building that way. There you go. Yep. She's moving away from it, yep. Yep. She already saw it was there. She didn't want to go to it. Exactly. I know. So take her up that wall and just reward her there. Stop there. What's this? Yes, bring it out to her if she doesn't want to go to it. Yep, good girl.